Hi, back again. We start. So we make the museum house today. It's that one here, beside our house that we made yesterday. It's a mystery house too. Has more stages and yeah. See it here. That is the house from this side, and from that side. That here. So we see it has three stages, and the last one, the third stage, is a door there, and there we have a good picture from it. That is like it should look. And let's look where I have it here. That is the main entrance door from this side, and that is the top view of them. Okay, so we start. Three stages. So add mesh cube, scale down, scale X, scale set. That should be enough. How bright is that? How big in that direction there? Okay, not that bright, but okay. We will see. So I think scale Y, that should be okay. And it is a little bit longer, I think that is too small here. Scale X, so switch like that. Scale X. Good. Then we need the roof there. So at first we make there two loops in, Control R, and roll them with a mouse button, left click to accept. I'll give you the screencast keys. So we mark that like ever with these colors. We need the white marker and we need a red marker. And we take here this stage and make that red. So then we need to have a cut here, but we make it with a knife from there to there, and that one we can bring up then. So we have that base structure there. Then we cut with a knife these sides. Good. Then you see it here, it has three windows on the roof, on this one side and one on the other side. So we can take that from the other house here, simply Shift D, bring it there. Rotate set 90. So bring it more up and more to the front and smaller, such like that. And on the middle. And then we need three on the other side. Shift D. Rotate set 180 degrees. Bring into. Oh, but they're very much smaller. So we simply should take them both and scale them such like that. That is more like it should. So we bring them down. Okay. And it is not even, so rotate set again. Then Shift D, place one there, Shift D, place one on the other side, and bring that here more in front, rotate set, and bring it more down. So that, okay. Then we have 6 windows in here. See there, they are half rounded. Rounded in the upper part. We can say that windows clearly. There, that are the windows. Good, we have done that in the other part, I think. I must look. Not here, okay. So we made that. We take simply add mesh cylinder circle. 24 is okay. Rotate X 90 degrees. Scale down. Then delete the half of them. And bring this both extruded to the base. F to close, A to select all, F to close. That should be it. Extrude to the Y, and that we want to cut in our house. So we bring that to the house. Such like that maybe. But we see all in all this house is too big. So we scale it in the X. So we have that. And that here we make in the red color. Red marker. So we have that here. And should be a little bit more scaled X. That makes more sense there. Good. Then simply Shift D and place it on the other places there. Then we take all 3, Shift D and place them down under, but give them the white marker. So that here also the white one, and that here. And close the panel. Then we have that here. This tree we make a little bit deeper as the other ones on the top there. Then we join them all 6 together. Join. Now we have to apply object, apply rotation scale. Then the same with the house. Object, apply rotation scale. We need the name of the cutters, it's circle. So we go on the house and say here boolean object circle, operation difference apply. So the windows are cut in from this side. Good. Then we have the front face here from that menu there, and you see it here. But I think we have a clear picture there. Yes. So we have to do at the roof 2 small parts, and here 2 large parts. They are near, they are wide. Okay. And the top parts. So we simply take their cubes, like ever. Add mesh cube, scale down, scale set. So that should be that. Shift D, place it there. Then Shift D, get them, and scale that up. So think that can work, maybe a little bit smaller, but that is the base structure that we need. So we join them all together and scale Y. We have to object apply the rotation scale of it, bring it to our house. Rotate set -90. Scale down. So that position is good for the top windows, but not for these down windows there. So with L we select them, separate, and then we can move them. I think they can be a little bit more till the outside there. So we plug them a little bit more there, and these 2 guys a little bit more down. So that's that. So we have changed some, so we must apply again. The house itself too, because we cut it in. So I save now other version number. Good. Name is cube 26. Cube 26. Difference apply. So they are cut in 2. So this house is on this whole stages there, and that means we have to build now this little part before the house. I bring that all a little bit more to the side that it isn't that far away. So that means this part here we have to do. I think this one is 1 stage incomplete, because the stairs go then down there. 1 stage 2. Must look. I don't know it exactly. That is the 3rd stage. Or that goes here a little bit more down. That is possible. Heavy to decide, but I would say that is like them here, so 2 stages in all. We simply must try it. So at first we take here that one out. Then that one out, and that comes straight down there. Okay, straight down there. That means we must have here something. Yeah, we must simply try it. There is nothing to know. Simply try. And here comes this cut in there. That means we have to knife cut from there to there, and from this point to that point. Same the other side. Good. Then we can get this point up, and we got this part of the roof there. I think that must be much smaller, but that we see all later. We first make only the base structure. So F to close here, F to close. So we see that here is all too big, yeah. So I will take them and bring them more up. Here we have that problem there, that this cut is there. So we must make it other way. That means we take here a knife and place a cut before, so we can handle that free like we would. Same we should do on the other side too. Knife and completely cut through. So now we can take here that part and bring them more up. Such like that maybe. Good. Then the other half of them should be this entrance part. So that stands out there, that comes down there, and that must be the entrance there in this whole thing with 2 windows on each side. Okay. Entrance and 4 windows in each side. Then we take here one for the entrance, Shift D, P to separate the selection. Now it is one mesh. Then set the origin to geometry, rotate set 90 degrees, and plug it into. Should be a huge door there, such like that, and then 2 windows on each side. Make that here white, because we don't see what it would. That's bad. Yeah. So that here should be a white one. Why that is red? Don't understand that. I delete that once again. Aha, there are 2 faces. Good, now it's white. Good. 2 windows on each side. So we simply can take here one of them, and that too. Shift D, P to separate the selection. Get that one. Set the origin to geometry. Give them red marker. And position them he lags. I don't know why. So let us look again how big the windows are. Wow, only half of them very little ones. And at which eye? Nearly to there. Okay. That is more, yeah, like that. But I think we can make a little bit more space between, such like that. That should be it. Shift D, place them on the other side too. Get them all together. Door and the windows join. Good. Then objects, apply rotation scale, same with the house. Name of this cutter is circle 01. So we go to the house, boolean, circle 1, difference apply. Good, they are cutted in. File, save. Good. Now the stairs that goes down there, we must count 3, 6, 7, 8 maybe. First a little straight and then goes down. Okay, with some walls on the side. 8. Okay. So we take here add mesh cube, scale down. Scale Y to the size of the door. Scale Z. That is the start of the stairs. Then we shift D, make a copy, but P separate the selection because that should be the stair. Scale X, make them smaller, and we say 8 can be this count. So we take a modifier, an array modifier. We get here in the set a 1. We must have before apply the rotation scale of it, then he can handle that. And we now simply play around here, which is the right part for that. So that is it, and we say 8, so make 8. Good, we have that. Is it too long? Is it too small? I think it can be a little bit smaller. So scale X. Yeah, such like that. That is okay. Now the walls beside them. So add mesh cube, scale down. So where's the house there? Then scale Y. Bring it here down till the bottom there. Now we have to bring a loop in on that position from the first step there. So that is there. Then we can bring this whole part here till the end of the stairs and get here that edge down, that it follows the stairs there, the same distance. So we can take that. I think that is good. Maybe a little bit smaller scale Y. It is too huge with that. So Shift D, place one there too. And we see it should fit with the door there. So we can take them and scale Y a little bit more. And the stairs also scale Y. Good. So that is done too. File save. We save it as a new version number 6. Now the top part of the house. It's that here. See, we have two big doors, window, and 2 small doors between. So, yeah, funny stuff. So we take here that one. I think with them we can make also Shift D. We place it there where this picture is. And grab to the picture. Rotate, set 90 degrees. So now we start. We first scale up. Then we delete the parts there. So only that left, and we see that should be more bright, so scale X. That is the first one, and I think it should be more scale Z. Then the next one is a small one, so Shift D, scale down. And it comes to there. We take the down part of the door and bring it to fit with the bottom. So there. And you see it's a little bit, yeah, it's not like that. So we take here simply the middle part. And then we take here proportional editing connected. Grab set, roll the middle mouse button to get the in flute, and then you can say how sharp that should be. I think that is enough. No, it's mystery, so grab set again. Yeah, it is 2 less words normally. Normally you need more words for such, but we let it now like it is. Then we need another big one. So Shift D simply and place it over there. Then Shift D, we need a smaller one, and then a window there. It is on the same height, but it has here the end. So that means we have to take here that one and disable proportional editing, get the down face and bring them till the half or so. Well, not really, a third, 30%. Good. That's it, that we must cut in the top stage of the house there. but I think they must be brighter than our doors, yeah. So scale X, delete, and Shift D, place them there. Good. So that is our cutter mask, when you want to call it so. Scale Y to make them same size. That too. So now we join them all together and apply the rotation scale. We bring it to our house, grabbing, positioning, scale down, and it's wrong turned, so rotates at 180 degrees, comes to the back side of the house. So we need space here, so I take all these pictures away. Then we bring that to the house there. Wow, what happens here? Okay, and scale down. That should be it. Now we have to place them. That is the window, so bring it down there. Then this little there, and that one in the middle. Yeah, I think the house is too small all in all. Every time you see it, when you try to get their proportions correctly, you see the house is too long. But who cares? That is the way. I must look again. But the wall there is big, huge one. There comes this door out. Yeah, what should we say? We bring it more down, bring it more to the side, but that's it. More we can't do. We can scale X a little, but that is maximum that we can do there. I see no other stuff there that will all look then not good. So we can sort them now. New with L, we can go a little bit near to them. That more over. What happens here? Nobody knows. Nice. Grab X. Then here, grab X. And that one, grab X. Yeah. That can be it. So we have done that. I have no access anymore there. Here has something changed. We need medium point. Oh, that was the thing. Okay. We place it into object, apply the rotation scale again, the same with the house. Get the name, circle 6, so the boolean circle 6 difference apply. Done. Good. So that we have also file save. So we have that side, the other side there. That we have, that we have, that. This too. The door. Okay, huge door on the third stage. And at the back is nothing. Good. So take there one. Shift D, P to separate the selection. Set the origin to geometry. The door is in the middle part there, and it is a huge door, so we get them here a little bit deeper, such like that. That is the door we want to cut in. And I saw on the other side, there is a door too, but I don't know, so I can't handle that, so we only make that. Apply rotation scale, same with the house. The name is circle 2. Difference apply, done. Good. We place all these masks here to second layer, so M to move, then click here on the second one. It's the second layer. Good. File save. That is the base house mesh, and in the next part then we will texture them, and then we bring them together with the other house here. Good, that was it for today, so see you in the next tutorial, bye.